All right, guys, let's do some rail fanning here. We went up to, saw the last video on the first day of November. Go walk over here, see where this pig goes to, shall we? Little sidetrack. Walking in the snow. Cool look, huh? Bringing in the load. Thought I heard a train coming, I guess not. Gotta be careful in here. Oh, quit your bitching. Oh, yeah. Kind of walk over here, shall we? Get kind of a easier walking over here than trying to kill ourselves. So it looks like a lot of this stuff is, that one's abandoned, but my favorite video I saw one time was how they dump the coal cars. That's kind of cool. Yep. Usually it's Canadian Pacific or Burlington. Usually the ones do a lot of hauling here in town. You can tell there's an old rail line right over there. Must have been a connection over there. Yeah, you never know. Just do some rail fanning here in Plymouth, Minnesota. Train spotting. Never know. Might get lucky. I don't know. A lot of their rail fanning. There's some other place I like to get to. Just got to make time to get to it. So with the new job at the airport, a little different schedule and a little different, so kind of got to make time. Today was slow at work and just got to effing off, and I'm leaving. It'll take 3 hours of calm time. So I think they probably still do use it, because up here there's a entrance up there. A lot of stuff is brought in by freights. I mean, I think it's, whenever I see a train, like Randall, Minnesota, they come through all the time, about 3 an hour. It's kind of cool. There was a place the Huss was at, and I saw Sidetrack Adventures. There's a big area up in California where they come around, and it's kind of cool. I drove by it one time. These trains that go back and forth. It's fun to watch them switch. The big Canadian Pacific line in a yard over in St. Paul off of I was over there walking around a park one time, and they bring it up and they go down. It's kind of cool. So they must, I mean, I don't see, like over there you can tell they don't use that one because it's overgrown, so they must bring it every once in a while from the main line and all the way up into here. So beautiful day. Well, that's, when I was a little shithead, we had rain, we had snow by Thanksgiving, and we were skating outside by December 1st, but people don't skate outside anymore. They don't do that anymore. Kids don't go outside and do that kind of stuff. So that's the way it works. But you can tell a lot of these are from old ties here. Old ties. Hell yeah. Rail fanning. There's Bryant over there. You can tell they used to bring stuff into here. Not anymore. Gotta be careful here. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yep. You guys see any trains yet? I don't see anything yet. Hell yeah. Tell these some old tracks here, man. Can break your ankle on this thing. Heck yeah. Very nice. So yeah, they must very rarely come down here. It was kind of growing. Yeah, it never hurts to leave the house and go do something substantial, right? Beautiful Friday. Yeah, I might go down tomorrow. Go down there tomorrow and down by the river over there in St. Paul. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, looks like they've done some work back in here. Mm-hmm. You guys see any trains? Maybe hobo shoestring would like this behavior. I wonder if who's making money on his channel. All kinds of good stuff down here. No. Heck yeah. You got some tools down here. So it looks like it goes into that door. But shovels and stuff. Got all kinds of ties. So probably do bring them in here. Nice. Shovels and all kinds of good stuff. Anyways, a little rail fanning here. I gotta take a leak. See, man, about a horse. So we'll see you guys on the next one, okay?